If we're not living on a sphere flying through space, if that's in question, right? What is the nature of our reality?
That's a bit of a vague question, isn't it?
Not a vague question, right?
It's a very vague.
What will be satisfactory to the Globers as a flat Earth model?
We want a mathematical construct that can represent the things in your reality and how they interact with each other.
See, that's the problem. You guys want a mathematical construct of a vision of a globe on a flat plane, right? We're talking about the nature of our reality. We're questioning it.
I had a conversation with you. You showed me videos you took of yourself filming the moon outside during the day.
I never said it meant anything. I never said it meant anything.
Why are you asking the damn stupid question about why is the moon out during the day? You don't even know why it's out during the day. So you need to ask the question. You also need to answer it.
I know the story. I just don't believe it. I want
you need to. No, you don't. Why is the moon out? Why is some days is the moon out at the same time as the sun? Tell me why it's there.
Go ahead, explain it, Channel Crazy.
I thought you knew.
No.
I thought you knew. I wanted you to tell me because it's a question you have that you've made videos.
To provide no alternative explanation.
Well, what the fuck are you doing questioning anything then if you aren't going to come to a conclusion?
Get out of here with this bullshit. Get out of here with this bullshit.
You just threw a double negative sentence at us, so you just told us that you do need to do shit.
We are all allowed to question.
No, what's the point of questioning if it doesn't lead you to a conclusion, I said?
What kind of people don't question anything?
What kind of people don't answer their questions?
He said he can't explain it, right?
Explain to me why it is out there today.
Channel Crazy is acting her part, of course, as usual, but that's fine. We can learn stuff. Me, myself, in terms of my own reckoning, well, it's all got to do with the cycle at the source, what's happening at Aristarchus center. So the reason why we get the seasons is Aristarchus is moving up and down piston-like on a regular basis.
Literally gibberish.
So
okay, when is the next time? When is the next time I can expect to see the moon out during the day? What day of this month or next month might I be able to observe the moon being out during the day? Do you know that?
No, I haven't gone into listing. I haven't gone into that depth.
So you don't really know the cycle of the source and Aristarchus and how it works out on a timeline to explain to me when I can expect to see it again?
Right. So what you can do is, because it's all a pattern-based system, someone else has worked that out for us, right?
Who?
Right. The people who have been documenting all of these things.
Are those people heliocentric model subscribers?
Whatever they are, if the information that they have put out there is accurate and remains true, then it reflects reality.
So you don't know why the moon is out during the day sometimes?
So what I said, what I'm saying to you is it all depends on what's going on at the source. As the moon is a reflection of the sun in movement, if the source at the north center is halfway through its motion, for instance.
Pete, she wants the globe, the official globe story, man. Put it in Google. That's what she wants.
Bullshit.
I think she'd be happy with any kind of explanation that makes sense, but nothing you've said so far does.
I'm just asking. You said it was the cycle of the source, and I'm asking you, how do you grasp that? How do you predict when the next time I can see the moon is?
What we have is a reflective barrier, right? A mirror barrier, and we have the sun. So this, depending on where the sun is in relation to the barrier, then we will get a reflective pattern. It's a general picture I'm trying to paint here. So first of all, understand that, and then
paint by numbers.
No, it's not paint by numbers. Again, this is just pattern recognition. You recognize a pattern. And once you, first of all, bring it back to a source. We understand there's a source of all of these skylines moving itself. Then we can correlate the two. And you can pick up on the pattern and then just go along and make your next prediction. This is how they do it in the globe model.
New Matrix, have you spent some time thinking about how it's possible that the moon is out during the day and have an explanation yet?
On a flat Earth reality?
Sure.
Like the
whatever explanation you want to give, Matrix. I don't care what the shape of the Earth is in your explanation.
Well, to me, those are just luminaries. They do whatever they do.
Oh, wonderful.
The shithead.
The moon is kind of tricky, man, because sometimes, right? Let me tell you something about the moon, right? Sometimes I look out my window. There's no moon. I go take a piss and I come back and boom, the moon's there, right? This is the weirdest things that just happens, and somehow it's supposed to rotate.
Boy.
It's supposed to rotate. Okay.
It happens.
Well, I have
that Coriolis
camera
effect is a
footage of the
bitch.
moon very close up. So
Okay,
it's
so
just
the
a matter
moon
of
is
time.
playing tricks on you?
It's just a matter of time before I get the footage to shut you motherfuckers up.
The moon's spying on them, and you say,
I cannot wait
I
to see
take a lot of
footage
footage
of
of the
you
moon.
having
So the
moon
moon,
sneak up
does it
on
play,
you.
does it say
Like I said,
peekaboo?
like
When
I
you see
said,
it, does it come out? It's like peekaboo.
you guys are saying that it's in a rotation, so it should come gradually, and that motherfucker just pops up sometimes, right? So how the fuck does that shit?
Oh, shit,
You
wait,
guys
Trick,
could do all that shit,
have you ever heard of clouds?
and there's no clouds.
Did you ever see the
Channel
clouds
Q.
block out the sun,
Matrix, right, in all seriousness, have you ever watched the
Listen,
moon
in
through
all
no,
seriousness,
listen,
you guys
have
are
you ever
right- you
watched the
guys are-
moon through a camera for any more than a few minutes at a time?
Reflections which are invisible, and it's when they interact with the atmosphere, or more particularly the water particulation in the atmosphere, we get to see these as seemingly solid shapes, but they are all reflections, and the moon itself is a reflection of solidity. Last thing I'll say is ask yourself, Matrix, why the sun and the moon are the same size in a flat
Are
Earth
you
system.
talking like a laser when you blow smoke at it? That it's only
Right.
then when you're able to see the laser.
Exactly, man. So
And the
if you-
atmosphere acts like the smoke in this metaphor of
exactly,
yours.
man. Exactly. So it's the water, and the atmosphere is motion.
Won't you shine on the wall that I love? Peek-a-boo moon in your magical light. I'll be kissing